Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to use Humata AI in mobile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Humata, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on my Google, I just need to search Humata AI and I just need to open this Humata AI website. And right here on the website, as you can see, I just need to log in by clicking this three lines on the top right corner and click log in or sign up. So if I want to sign up, just click sign up and I need to provide my email and my password. And yeah, that's it. So after that, I need to provide my personal information, my first name, last name, and yeah, that's the only required, and the rest is optional. So you can, you don't really need to purchase that. And after that, just click create account, and after creating an account, as you can see, an email will be sent to my Gmail, and I just need to confirm the sign in. And after that, I can just click this link in order to confirm the sign in on my account. And after that, I will be redirected to the Humata AI webpage. And after that, my sign in will be approved, and I will be redirected to the dashboard of Humata AI, and now I can use it. Now I can just drop some files right here that I want to summarize, since that's Humata do. The Humata summarize your papers, and yeah, it's one of the best platforms for you to summarize long papers. And if you want to summarize your thesis or essays, yeah, you can use Humata AI, and it's very good. And yeah, that's how you can use Humata AI on mobile. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.